So then I said, if you want the mustard, you're gonna have to ketchup. That was quite possibly the worst joke I've ever heard. You're the worst joke I've ever heard.
Ugh, it's way too bright in here. Does somebody want to turn the lights down or something?
Hey, Apple, you're back! What? Hey, Apple, where you been? Are you talking to me? You look like an apple.
No. I'm a fruit like an apple, but I'm not an apple.
I'm bored.
I can't take it! Someone end this right now! I can't take any more stupid puns! What? What is it? Why are you mumbling and making that face?
Wait! What are you doing?
Hey, Cheese, are you feeling any chatter? Why are you laughing?